Once course authors have a full understanding of their material, they need to determine their course's learning objectives. These are the individual results you want your learners to achieve based on the course goals you established. Learning objectives are hyper-specific, breaking the overall course goal down into smaller, more direct goals to follow. Your learning objectives should be quantitative, measurable, and easy to understand. Use them to tell your learner what the main takeaway of your course is, and they'll help to sell the course to the learner. Your learning objectives should communicate the function of your course clearly, effectively, and to the point. Ready for more on good learning objectives? How to create an online course masterclass has everything you need. Click the link below to get started today.